We have the CDG Vans Authentics low right here. So this shoe retailed for $132. We caught this on Dover Street in LA. It's also available at CDG's website, but I think they've sold out on the website. So these actually came out last year in 2018, but they restocked them in store for Dover Street. And I just picked up another pair today to review for you guys here. For the sizing, basically you just want to go your regular Vans sizing. Some people go true to size on Vans, some go half down. It's just that half down will give you like a more snug fit. I personally go true to size on my Vans, and this is not a different here. Let's go over the shoe real quick. So basically this shoe is just white with CDG on the whole outer part of it. And it's the same for both pairs. And CDG is glued on in plastic right where the toe is for both pairs. Vans tag right here, Vault on the inside, Vans Vault on the heel. The Vans logo is all white. Nothing on this side of this shoe. But yeah, this shoe is actually pretty cool. It reminds me of like some Japanese style. It comes unlaced on both pairs, and yeah. These do look pretty sick just because of the white and black contrast, in my opinion. Oh yeah, and then before I forget the bottom, regular brown as for any Vans. This is the box. You just have CDG on the top, and that's it. Some more pics of the labels here. Alright, thank you guys for watching. This is a really short review, but not much else to say about this shoe. Here's the tongue as well. CDG, same thing as the outside. Pretty cool shoe. If you wanna get this one, the resale's not even that high right now. It's like $20 over. And for resale, it's like $10 profit, $20 profit. Nothing too crazy, so pretty sick shoe. Almost sold out everywhere. Pretty nice design, a great personal Vans. Thank you.